If you are seeing that your account is not eligible to go live error on Instagram, here's how to fix it. First, ensure your Instagram account is not restricted. If you have recently violated Instagram's community guideline, your ability to go live may be temporarily disabled. Go to your profile, tap three horizontal lines, scroll down, and find account status to see if there are restrictions. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and update it if available. If the issue continues, try uninstalling and reinstalling Instagram to remove any bugs. Try switching to a professional account. Go to your profile, tap three horizontal lines, scroll down, and find Switch to Professional Account. Choose Creator or Business and check if this enables the live feature. Check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent Instagram Live from working. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restarting your router, or using a different network. If Instagram temporarily blocked your live access, you may need to wait a few days before trying again. This usually happens if you violated guidelines or received reports. If nothing works, report the issue to Instagram. Go to Settings, Help, Report a problem, explain the issue, and wait for their response. That's it. Hopefully you will be able to go live again soon. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.